Quick update, Friday morning. As you can see, I found some more broken pieces. That spring that I talked about earlier, this is what came out of there. I'm glad I had a new spring. Yeah, this is came out of the bottom of the pan, and I believe it's some kind of snap ring out. This is my Jeep. Quick update before I go. I don't know if I'll be able to do much more work today. We're getting ready to have some good thunderstorm, be blowing rain in here on me. But anyway, this tab that I've been worried about, this locking tab on this connector, and what I did, I took some black RTV and I smoothed it all around that connector in the tab. It's not broken, but it keeps, if you pull on it very hard, it pops out. And I'm worried about vibration, hitting bumps that might cause it. I don't know how that'll hold up inside the pan, with the transmission fluid. It said it's fine, they'll use it on the transmission pan. We'll see. Hopefully that won't be an issue in the future, but if my transmission starts messing up, that's probably where I'll look at first. My Jeep out. Here's my Jeep update for Saturday morning. Well, it's right at lunchtime, about 11:30. Okay, this is the accumulator spring, and I didn't even know anything about this until it fell out. I just happened to find it, and I had to go look it up to find out what it is. This is the accumulator spring piston. And the transmission, if I'd left this out and put it all back together, I doubt if my transmission would have worked at all. Anyway, so keep that in mind if you're not familiar with transmissions, doing this kind of work. I'm not going deep in the transmission, but changing out these sensors, this accumulator spring, that's further than a lot of people go. So get up on the nomenclature and the different components if you're going to do this work. And if you're going to spend this much time, make sure you put it back together right. Out for now. Okay. This is my Jeep again. I just want to show you how this goes in there. See, the spring goes in the piston like that. This side goes in here. And yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, you got to make sure you line this up, this piston, because it's got to go all the way down in there so it can slide back and forth. I guess transmission fluid pressure is, they bring this around, plate around. That harness goes into that little opening there. Okay, I just thought I'd show you that. My Jeep out for now. Another my Jeep update. A few minutes down the road here. Okay, I believe I got everything in place. As you saw, I put the accumulator spring and piston in. That's the plate. Goes behind partially behind the filters in, the shift solenoid in, and I put another dab of black RTV on that connector there, hoping it will help keep that connector together, over periods of vibration of a vehicle, rough road, stuff like that. And of course, I got the let me see, right there. I got that output speed sensor in. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to do much today. I've got yard work I want to finish up, and I might, but I'm going to let this thing set. And I've got some motor mounts that I need to put in, some suspension I want to check, some and be going over. I still got a lot of stuff to go over. I'm just hoping this transmission is going to come out because I've never serviced one before. Okay, my Jeep out for now. Oh, and this is part 2. Transmission service. Okay, it's my Jeep. We got our flagpole fitted all the way out. I believe it's about 30 feet. The wind's blowing good. Okay, I'm trying to get it pretty damn tall. Almost, yeah, about as tall as the palm.